Traders, today is the 4th of October 2023. What an amazing day, guys, or what a blessing day. Amazing profit, guys. Let me share with you guys how we analyze the market in pound yen. That was a pretty straightforward. If you look at here, we had such a nice, beautiful short trade yesterday. That was a beautiful trade. So this morning, as explained, we already had the short trade here this morning. And afterward, as explained, if the market is going to respect, look for another pullback. And if the market is going to respect this level, then look for a short trade here. So we had a both long and even now today markets we still traders holding a short trade here. Let me share with you guys how I analyze the market in intraday. That was a pretty straightforward, as you can see here. This morning that was a beautiful pullback short trade, bank some profit after banking once the market reverse. And as always mentioned, we are looking at deeply price action, looking in a 4 hour. Based on that, as you can see here, the market nicely broken even after the breakout. Market nicely retest. That was the long trade here. We have another long trade. As soon as the price hit to the profit target, that's what explained my traders time to enjoy some profit. And afterwards, after banking some profit, we did another analysis. As you can see here, pretty straightforward. As explained to my trader, look for another pullback short. Market nicely developed pullback short. As soon as the market hit to the profit target, bank some profit after banking. We did another last analysis. That's what I explained to my trader. Based on the 4 hour, we were expecting a short, but as explained to my trader, look here, the first priority will be always be pullback. Even if the market does not support this level, and if the market break and retest, give us the confirmation, then look a short trade here. So if you look at here very carefully, I'm going to explain to you. I'm going to make it zoom. As you can see here, that's what I explained to my trader in detail. If you look at in very, you can see it, this is the high, the market broken after the breakout, market retest, give us the confirmation. That's what I explained my trader. Take a short trade here and keep enjoying it, because based on the 4 hour, as mentioned here, this is the area which we were expecting a short trade here at this level anyway. So we had such a nice beautiful short trade, and you can see a beautiful, you can see a, what a beautiful trade. As soon as the price hit the first target, that's what I explained my trader, it's time to enjoy amazing profit. So guys, you want to see those analysis in real time? Most welcome. Join our fast growing trader community. Have a nice day.